Hello to all my favorite travelers. Today we're talking about the Travel Safe Classic Plan. The Travel Safe Classic Plan is a comprehensive travel protection plan. And that means it's designed to cover you, the traveler, against medical emergencies, evacuations, and repatriations, as well as your trip investments from cancellations, interruptions, and delays, as well as the things that go along for the adventure, like your baggage or sporting equipment. Now, you probably want to know the cost of the Travel Safe Classic Plan. The Travel Safe Classic Plan does come in a little bit more expensive than many of its competitors, but with good reason. The plan benefits are some of the highest in the industry, and the covered reasons that trigger benefits like trip cancellation and interruption are some of the most expansive that we've seen. Let's talk eligibility. This plan is for U.S. residents between the ages of 1 and 99 traveling within the U.S. and internationally. Coverage can be purchased for up to 120 days. If you're planning on buying the Travel Safe Classic Plan, we recommend that you buy it within 21 days of your first trip payment so that you can secure cancel for any reason coverage, as well as coverage for any pre-existing medical conditions that you may have. The cancel for any reason benefit is not available for residents of New York State. What it covers: the Travel Safe Classic Plan works a lot like many of the other plans in the travel protection marketplace. It's designed with pre-departure and post-departure benefits. Pre-departure benefits would cover you for things like cancellations or cancel for any reason, and they would reimburse you for the lost, non-refundable, and prepaid expenses that you've incurred. Post-departure benefits would cover anything from trip interruptions, travel delays, or medical emergencies, evacuations, and repatriations. If you're facing an emergency while traveling, you can call your emergency assistance number that's provided with your plan, and you will have full support to help make arrangements for hospital stays, hospital visits, emergency evacuations, better medical, or even security evacuations. Additionally, the Travel Safe Classic Plan can cover trips up to $100,000 in prepaid, non-refundable travel expenses. But if you have a trip that comes in at much more than $100,000, you can at least get up to $100,000 in coverage against trip cancellations and trip interruptions, should you need those benefits. Additionally, this plan has a baggage delay benefit up to $250. This plan does have coverage for COVID-19. The Travel Safe Classic covers COVID-19 like any other covered medical condition, up to the policy maximum. Treatment and services will be covered if the COVID-19 was contracted after the policy effective date. Preventative care like vaccinations are not covered under Travel Safe Classic. So, how to use the plan? You can visit any licensed doctor or hospital with this plan. For Travel Safe Classic and other trip insurance plans, direct billing is not guaranteed. Direct billing is when the hospital or treatment provider directly bills the insurance company. So depending on the provider you seek treatment from, you might receive a bill directly. This might mean you get asked to pay up front and then get reimbursed from the insurance company via the claims process. All claims should be submitted in writing with all supporting documents and receipts attached. The G1G offers free claims advocacy with every plan, so we'll help you get your claim filed correctly. If your plan does have the cancel for any reason benefit, you'll need to meet the following conditions to use that benefit. You must have purchased that benefit within the time-sensitive period. The full cost of your non-refundable trip must be insured. Your trip must be canceled no later than 2 days prior to the scheduled departure date of your trip. Outro disclaimer. Remember, this video is meant to serve as general educational information. Nothing here is medical advice. Always check the plan documents for specific benefit definitions, coverage amounts, exclusions, and the limitations. And as always, enjoy the journey.